Preserve not a number values in pandas boolean comparisons. I have two boolean columns A and B in a pandas data frame, each with missing data, represented by not a number. What I want is to do an operation on the two columns, but I want the resulting boolean column to be not a number if either of the original columns is not a number. I have the following table. Now when I do df.a and df.b, I want but instead I get this behavior is consistent with np.bool np.nan, and np.bool false, and its permutations, but what I really want is a column that tells me for certain if each row is true for both, or for certain could not be true for both. If I know it is true for both, then the result should be true. If I know that it is false for at least one, then it should be false, and otherwise I need not a number to show that the datum is missing. Is there a way to achieve this?
Let's use np.logical_and output.
Pandas equals 1.0. This operation is directly supported by pandas provided you are using the new nullable boolean type boolean, not to be confused with the traditional numpy bool type. In conclusion, please consider upgrading to Pandas 1.0 Smile.
Information pour ces éléments, la assurance subscribe.